Hey there, fellow wanderers. Are you ready to explore the world while being kind to our planet? Today we're diving into the top 7 sustainable travel essentials that will enhance your travel experience and help you reduce your carbon footprint. Let's get started.
Welcome back to our channel. You're in the right place if you're passionate about travel and sustainability. Let's make your next adventure eco-friendly and unforgettable. Here are the 7 essentials you never knew you needed. First up is a reusable water bottle. Did you know that over 1 million plastic bottles are purchased every minute? Bringing your bottle helps you stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste. Look for bottles that keep your drinks cold or hot for hours. Next, we have a portable utensil set. This simple item replaces single-use plastic cutlery. Lightweight and easy to carry, a good utensil set usually includes a fork, knife, spoon, and sometimes even a straw. Perfect for picnics or take-out meals while exploring. Coming in at number 3 are eco-friendly toiletries. Switch to solid shampoo bars, bamboo toothbrushes, and refillable containers. Not only do they save space, but they also minimize plastic waste. Plus, they're often made with natural ingredients that are better for your skin. At number 4, we have a travel laundry bag. This is essential for keeping your worn clothes separate from your clean ones. Choose one made from breathable fabric or a washable mesh bag. Bonus tip: look for ones that can double as shopping bags to reduce plastic usage. Number 5 is multi-purpose clothing. Think of items that can be worn differently, like a sarong used as a beach cover-up, a blanket, or even a bag. Investing in versatile clothing means packing lighter and reducing your luggage's environmental impact. Next up is a solar charger. Whether hiking in the mountains or lounging on a beach, a solar charger ensures your devices stay powered without needing conventional electricity. It's a fantastic way to stay connected and help the environment simultaneously. And finally, number 7, a travel journal. Not only does it serve as a beautiful keepsake, but it also encourages mindfulness during your travels. Instead of scrolling through your phone, take the time to reflect on your experiences, the people you meet, and the places you visit. There you have it, our top 7 sustainable travel essentials. Incorporating these items into your packing list can positively impact the environment while enjoying your adventures. Remember, every little bit helps. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on sustainable travel. Safe travels, and let's make the world a better place, one trip at a time. And don't forget to check out our website for all your travel needs at gotravelbuck.com and explores.com.